Class 10 English First Flight Nelson Mandela. This chapter has been extracted from Nelson Mandela's autobiography Long Walk to Freedom, and of that chapter, page number 19 of that chapter, we will discuss. We can have one question from that page number, and that question is, what overwhelmed Nelson Mandela on the day of inauguration? Explain. Nelson Mandela was overwhelmed with a sense of history while addressing the gathering on the occasion of the inaugural ceremony of a non-racial democratic government in South Africa. He remembered the first decade of 20th century. What happened in the first decade of 20th century? And one thing more, it was the time before the birth of Nelson Mandela. That time Nelson Mandela was not born. It was also the time a few years after the Anglo-Boer War. This was the time. And first decade of 20th century. The white government established a society in South Africa which was based on racial discrimination. Apartheid system was imposed, and due to this system they created a society in South Africa which was the most harshest society, which was one of the most harshest and inhuman society the world has ever seen. This is what he remembered. He was overwhelmed with this sense how the white people did it. He also remembered the last decade of the same century, of the 20th century, and he said that the people of South Africa overturned that system in the last decade of the same century, 20th century, and that system was replaced by a democratic one, a non-racial one, a democratic government, a non-racial government which recognize the freedom of all without any discrimination. This sense of history overwhelmed him. First, how people of South Africa were tortured by the racial discrimination, and last decade how the people overturned that system and replaced one democratic one. This is the आंसर. तो नेल्सन मंडेला पहले दशक में वो ये वाइट पीपल जो थे उन लोगों ने साउथ अफ्रीका में वर्ण विभेद की नीति लागू कर दी, और अंतिम दशक में 20वीं सदी के अंतिम दशक में वहाँ के लोगों ने उस सिस्टम को उलट दिया और वहाँ प्रजातांत्रिक सिस्टम लागू कर दिया, डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम लागू कर दिया. यही इतिहास का जो सेंस है उनको ओवरवेल्म करता है. थैंक यू. ये नोट पसंद आएगा आपको.